Monday's theme is follow the blueprint. When I built this Lego set, I definitely had to follow the instructions. Otherwise, I could have never fit all the pieces in the right place. I mean, don't you use building instructions when you build a Lego set, Coco?
No!
You don't?
I just eat them.
You eat them? You eat the instructions?
No, the Legos.
If you memorize the verse each day and quote it at Bible time, you will earn points. In fact, we're going to memorize a verse that you can quote tonight. At the end of Bible time, the people with the most points get prizes. In fact, some of the main prizes that I have are in the boxes behind me back here.
Can we look and see?
Oh, no, we can't look at the boxes right now. We got to help the kids memorize their verses so that they can get points for tonight.
Fine.
All right, let's memorize the verse for Monday night.
Okay.
20:32. Say it with me.
Okay.
I commend you to God and to the word of His grace, which is able to build you up. Let's take out some of the words so that way it makes it so that we're actually memorizing it instead of just reading the verse.
I commend you to God and to the word of His grace, which is able to build thee up.
Now we're going to take away more words, and then we're going to say it again. Are you ready? Let's start with the reference, Coco.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go. Acts
20:32. I commend you to God and to the word of His grace, which is able to build thee up.
Like Lego.
Yeah, like Legos.
Like these Legos that you broke.
Like these Legos. Those look really good.
Stop it. Okay, now we're going to take away all of the words that I'm going to take away. I'm just going to leave a few words left to give hints as we say the verb. Let's say it one more time, all together. Acts
20:32. I commend you to God and to the word of His grace, which is able to build you up.
Fantastic! Now, here's a pro tip. You can watch this video as many times as you need to.
You really can.
Right, and I would recommend...
You could start it over now.
Yeah, and I feel like we should probably do it one more time. So,
okay.
You start the video again, and Coco, you and I are going to get ready to help them memorize the verse. Here we go.